Let me ask you something simple but powerful. What if I told you that 2 simple words could completely shift how women see you? That they could instantly make you appear more attractive, confident, and in control? Sounds wild, right? But stay with me, because today I'm going to reveal how something so seemingly small, just a couple of words, can reshape your interactions with women, your relationships, and even how you carry yourself through life. These words aren't a trick, a gimmick, or some kind of manipulative phrase. They're rooted in genuine psychology, in how human attraction works, and in what women actually look for in a man. And no, it's not "please" and "thank you." It's not about charm or being extra polite. It's about clarity, presence, and most of all, ownership. But before we dive deep, take a quick second to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. Supporting the content not only helps me keep giving you value, it also boosts the chances of other men discovering this powerful message. Let's grow together, and let's grow strong. Now, let's get into it. Let's be honest, most guys today have been conditioned to play it safe with women. We've been told to be agreeable, accommodating, and avoid being too much. You hear phrases like, happy wife, happy life. Just go with the flow. Don't make a scene. Let her decide. And while there's nothing wrong with being respectful and collaborative, there's a fine line between being considerate and being passive. And that's the exact line most men keep crossing, without even realizing it. They speak in vague terms. They hesitate. They avoid clear statements of intent. They dodge decisions by saying things like, I don't know, we can do whatever you want. I'm cool with anything. It's totally up to you. Now ask yourself, what message are you really sending when you say that? Because while it might seem polite to a woman, it often reads as uncertain, non-committal, and weak. And that brings us to the 2 words that flip that entire script. 2 words that instantly create attraction when used right. I want. Yes. That's it. Simple? Yes. Basic? Maybe. But when you understand why these words are so magnetic, you'll never speak the same way again. Why I want works. Let's break it down. When a man says, I want something, he's doing something rare. He's taking ownership of his desire. He's not hiding. He's not asking for permission. He's not testing the waters or tiptoeing around a woman's feelings. Instead, he's leading. He's stating. He's putting something real on the table. And guess what? That's exactly what women are starving for in today's world. Leadership, clarity, confidence, direction. Think about it. If you're a woman constantly surrounded by indecisive guys who can't commit to dinner plans, how refreshing is it to meet a man who says, I want to take you out Friday night. I want to get to know you better. I want to see where this connection goes. Suddenly, you're not a maybe anymore. You're a presence. A man who knows who he is and what he wants, and that alone is powerful. The psychology behind it. Let's talk science for a second. Confidence is deeply linked to leadership and sexual attraction in both evolutionary psychology and modern relationship studies. Women are biologically inclined to seek out partners who show certainty, because certainty signals safety, strength, and stability. When you say, I want, you subconsciously tell her, I have direction. I'm not afraid of rejection. I'm in tune with myself. That's not arrogance. That's maturity. Now, let's take it further. How to use it in real life. This isn't just about pickup lines or sounding cool. This is about changing the way you communicate across the board. Whether you're on a first date, deep into a relationship, or even interacting with people in everyday life, this phrase positions you as someone worth listening to. So how do you actually use, I want, in a way that builds connection instead of coming off demanding? It's about tone, timing, and intention. Here are some examples of how to apply it naturally. When asking someone out, instead of saying, hey, maybe we could hang out sometime? Say, I want to take you out Friday. There's this rooftop place I think you'll love. It's confident, it's specific, and it shows you've thought about her. In casual conversation, instead of dancing around your interest. So, what are you into? Try, I want to know what really excites you. What lights you up? This creates intimacy, fast. In a relationship. Instead of being passive, whatever you want to do this weekend is fine. Say, I want to spend time just the two of us. Let's plan something together. See the difference? Now you're not just present, you're participating. You're guiding, you're expressing. And that, my friend, is leadership in its most attractive form. Avoiding the pitfalls. Of course, like any tool, I want can be misused. Let's get this straight. This is not about bulldozing her preferences or dominating every decision. There's a huge difference between being confident and being controlling. Here's a tip. Whenever you use I want, follow it with an invitation, not a command. Example, I want to see you again. Are you free this weekend? Or, I want to talk about something important. Do you have a moment? You're showing strength and respect. Assertiveness with empathy. That's a killer combo. Daily challenge. The I want mission. Here's my challenge to you. Starting today, I want you to say, I want at least 5 times a day for the next 7 days. Use it with people you know. With strangers. With coworkers. With women you're interested in. With your own damn reflection if you have to. This is about rewiring your communication style to be intentional, honest, and powerful. Say, I want to try something new today. I want to feel more energized this week. I want to tell you that I appreciate your time. And yes, say it to women too. Start noticing how people begin to react. Watch how your energy shifts. Feel how your self-respect grows. The bigger picture. Look, attraction isn't just about tricks or phrases. It's about who you are, and how you express that. By using I want, you're not just playing a role. You're living as a man who knows himself. A man who respects his desires. A man who moves through the world without apology. That's what makes you magnetic. So start today. Use the words. Watch your world shift. And when you see the results, and you will, come back to this video and drop a comment. Tell me what happened. Tell me how it worked. Let's build this movement of strong, grounded men who speak with intention. If you made it to the end of this video, type, I move with purpose, in the comments so I know you're one of the real ones. And if you want more tips like this, content that cuts through the noise and speaks to the heart of attraction, confidence, and becoming your best self, smash that like button and subscribe. This is just the beginning. Until next time, speak with power, move with clarity, and live with intention.